Welcome to the best picks. The best toenail clipper is probably one of the most underrated tools in personal care, but it's essential for maintaining healthy feet. Podiatrists use specialized clippers to address various nail conditions, and finding the right one can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore what makes a great toenail clipper and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Huing toenail clippers for thick and ingrown nails. Are you struggling with thick or ingrown toenails? These clippers are designed to make cutting your nails easier. This is a professional-grade tool for men and seniors. The specially designed curved blade makes it easy to cut ingrown and thick nails. This feature ensures a clean and precise cut every time. It's a must-have for anyone seeking comfortable nail care. These clippers are made of high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel. This material ensures rust resistance and long-lasting durability. You can rely on it for years of use. The clippers feature an upgraded double spring for extended use. This enhancement extends the service life of the clippers. It provides a smoother and more reliable cutting experience. The handle is made with non-slip ABS material for comfort and grip. It provides a firm grip and makes cutting easy. This design ensures a comfortable and secure experience. These clippers are easy to clean and maintain, making them a sustainable choice. They are designed to be a long-term solution for your nail care needs. Invest in quality and enjoy healthy nails. What we like. This clipper features a super sharp curved blade, perfect for tackling ingrown and thick nails with ease. The upgraded double spring ensures long-lasting use and extends its service life. If you're looking for a comfortable and durable solution for your nail care needs, this is the one for you. What people say. They take a bit of finesse for thick toenails, but they do a great job and really are the only type of clippers that work. This is a quality-made, long-term use tool that you will glad you have. Husband loves these clippers. They cut nails easily. Number 4. Ergonomic Toenail Care Kit for Thick Nails. Introducing the Ergonomic Toenail Care Kit, designed specifically for thick and hard nails. This 2-piece stainless steel set makes nail care effortless. It's perfect for seniors and anyone with an active lifestyle. The 25-degree curved blade follows the natural shape of your nails for precise trimming. The integrated safety guard prevents overcutting, making it easy to care for hard-to-reach areas. This ensures a safe and controlled experience. Made with high-grade, FDA-compliant stainless steel, the blade stays sharp for years. The rounded opening ensures secure handling of tough nails without any skin contact. You can trust its durability and safety. The soft, non-slip ABS grip reduces hand strain by 30%. The dual spring mechanism requires minimal pressure, making it ideal for comfortable nail maintenance. It is designed for your comfort. This kit is designed with seniors in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle and easy-to-use design. It provides gentle care for your nails. This makes it a great choice for anyone seeking a comfortable and effective nail care solution. What we like. This kit boasts a precision curved trimming design, aligning with the natural nail shape for controlled cuts. An integrated safety guard prevents overcutting, ensuring gentle care. If you are a senior or have an active lifestyle and need a safe and comfortable nail care solution, you should consider this. What people say. These clippers didn't just cut my toenails, they tamed them. I felt like I was pruning a redwood tree and this tool just handled it without flinching. Sharp and powerful, these things slice through thick nails like a hot knife through butter. No cracking, no splitting, just clean cuts. Comfortable grip, the handle is easy to hold, even for hands that don't always want to cooperate, thanks, arthritis. Precision tip, great for those stubborn ingrown corners that like to play hide and seek. Number 3. Softale Toenail Clippers for Thick Nails. This is a heavy-duty nail clipper designed for safe and easy trimming. It's perfect for thick nails, ingrown nails, and anyone needing a reliable nail care solution. The clippers feature a curved blade and wide jaw opening, making it easier to cut through thick nails. The design enhances cutting effect, and the rubber handle makes it safer to use. With a wide jaw opening, it can handle even the thickest nails. Made from premium stainless steel, it ensures sharpness and precision. The handle provides a good grip. This set includes a variety of tools to meet all your nail care needs. It includes clippers, files, and cuticle cutters. This helps keep your feet healthy and pain-free. The clippers come in an exquisite gift case, making it a great present for any occasion. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This product features a wide jaw opening for thick nails and comes as a 6-in-1 kit, providing a comprehensive nail care solution. It also offers a lifetime warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. If you like having a complete set of tools and want peace of mind, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The files for getting the corners of the nails, both finger and toes, are just as good as the file and do a good job removing the edges. The toenail clipper is comfortable to handle, cut well, and the angle of the cutting blades are convenient for getting the sides of the toenail. The first clippers I have ever seen that actually cut thick or difficult toenails. It is compact, well appointed and very well made. Number 2. XIORRY Ingrown Toenail Clippers. These clippers feature sharp blades and a slim design. This allows it to easily reach under the nail for a precise and clean cut. It makes removing thick or ingrown nails easy. Made from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, this clipper is built for durability. It's rust-resistant, sharp, and sturdy, ensuring a clean cut every time. You can even wash it without worry. The embedded spring design makes this clipper user-friendly. It's especially helpful for the elderly, and you don't have to worry about the spring falling out. A protective cover is included to prevent accidental cuts. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand with non-slip features. The extra long handle provides enhanced grip and leverage. It's perfect for seniors, those with arthritis, and individuals with disabilities. This curved nail clipper is specifically designed for ingrown nails. It's a great tool for removing dirt, trimming, and shaping your nails. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. What we like. This clipper features a unique long handle for enhanced grip and leverage, making it ideal for seniors and those with arthritis. The embedded spring design adds to the ease of use. If you have difficulty with grip or are looking for a user-friendly design, it's a great option. What people say. Seems of good quality. It's very sharp and has worked fine. Curved blade is helpful too. The shape of the cutters allows me to clip everything out before it gets ingrown, causing an infection. The angle of these clippers is perfect and makes it very easy. Number 1. BEZOX Toenail Clippers for Thick and Ingrown Nails. These BEZOX nail clippers are incredibly easy to use. Made entirely of steel, it can be cleaned and disinfected without any corrosion. Built with premium stainless steel, this clipper won't bend or break under pressure. It's a favorite in homes and a common tool in podiatry offices. Experience smooth, straight, and sharp precision. It cuts through the thickest nails without splitting or crumbling, preventing painful injuries. The compact design provides a tight grip and comfortable hold. It also includes a locking key for safety, keeping the blades safely covered when not in use. The BEZOX toenail clipper comes with a sturdy leather case. This helps to keep it clean and protected. It's also a great gift option. What we like. This clipper is easy to use and clean, ensuring hygiene and convenience. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, it won't bend or break under pressure. If you are looking for a durable and precise tool that is easy to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to handle and cuts perfectly. Very useful, easy to cut the thick nails. Extremely sharp and precise. Made from high-quality metal. Knurled handles prevent slippage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.